So today I'm going to show you guys how to install this Dyna Twin Tech onto your Dyna Twin Cam. First step will be pulling the seat off, which is just this one bolt back here. Once we got the seat off, we can see our stock ignitions down there. We're going to go ahead and pull this side cover off with a 3/16 Allen wrench right here. Then we pop this cover off, which actually just pops off. You don't have to pull those Allens out. Where you can see this tray here, our ECU's back there. So in order to get this tray out to get our ECU out, we're gonna have to pop that bolt off down here where my finger's pointing. There's another one right there we're gonna pop off. And then two more behind here that hold your coil on. And this whole piece should just fall right forward. Got those 4 bolts off. Now this plate pops forward. In order to get this off, I needed 7/16 for these 2 nuts that held on the coil here, and I needed a 10 mil for this bolt, which was on the side of the plate over here, and then a 1/2 inch wrench to get to this nut. Now that we got this exposed, you can see our stock ECU. We're going to go ahead, pop this out, pop our new Twin Tech back in, but it's important that you get all these modes selected correctly before you do that, because you won't be able to access it once it's in the bike. Okay, so I got the Twin Tech installed, the bike fired right up, so we can run down the modes. So if you put it in mode 1, it's multi-spark mode. Mode 0 would just be standard like the Harley. Your initial timing, it says to put at 5, which is just the same as standard, and then your advanced slope to 7. So this is gonna be 2 degrees greater than stock for the advanced slope. Then the other 2 are just your RPM limiter. I have it on 5700. I figured that'll be pretty safe. But now that we got all our modes selected, let's go ahead, get this thing installed, and get riding. So sadly my lunch break got cut short, but I went ahead and got the bike finished. Now the steps for are going to be the reverse at disassembly. So you're going to go ahead, get those 4 bolts back on, pop this cover back in, and you should be about ready to go. Note in the manual is if your bike is pigging down at idle, then you're going to want to change your initial timing setting and turn it down to 4 maybe, 4 or 3. And but if you still want the same advance up top, then you're gonna turn up your advance even more. So instead of being 2 on the advance, or 7 rather, you'd go up to 8 on the advance and 4 on your initial timing setting. I just set mine at 5 and 7, so it's at right in the middle for initial timing, and then when it advances, it's at 7. It's going to be 2 degrees greater than it is at the static timing, lower RPMs. So without further ado, let's test it out. Let's see how this rev limit sounds. Bike on, got a HSR, so we'll pump it once. That hurts the ears, but it works and it sounds great. Everything works flawlessly. I'm pumped to get this thing out there, blow some donuts, have some fun. So if you guys want to see more videos like this where we're installing stuff in bikes, giving you like short tutorials, I don't know if this was the most detailed one, but stay tuned, subscribe, the usual stuff all the YouTubers say. Thank you.